Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80073CF9 when apps or games are not installing. First, repair or reset Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store, go to App Settings, click Terminate, then Repair. If that doesn't work, click Reset. Next, run WSReset. Type WSReset in search, open it, and let it clear the store cache. Now try installing apps from Library or Download section inside Microsoft Store. If the issue continues, delete the store cache manually. Go to c/users/your name/appdata/as local/packages, open the Microsoft Windows Store folder, and delete the local cache folder. Relaunch Store. Next, restart your PC and try again. You can also install the latest Windows app SDK from Microsoft website, choose x64 or x86 based on your system. After installing, open Store and retry downloads. Now run PowerShell as administrator and execute the commands provided in the description to fix Store and reinstall default apps. Ignore red errors and let the process complete. If that doesn't work, reset Windows Update components using PowerShell commands to recreate the software distribution folder, then run WSReset I. Next, update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all updates. You can also uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store using PowerShell commands. If nothing works, go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and select Fix Problems using Windows Update. As a last step, use Media Creation tool to repair Windows without losing files. One of these steps should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to Genie.